Bitcoin stays below $67,000, Ether stays above $3,000. Coinbase shares sink 9% on report CME to consider listing spot Bitcoin. Hong Kong digital yuan pilot lacks P2P capabilities. Turkey proposes aligning crypto legislation with international standards. Tether Ton team up with mobile app for USDT to fiat transactions. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA remained range-bound despite benefiting from a weaker dollar after some relatively softer consumer inflation readings for April. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, hovered around $67,000 levels. Interestingly, Bitcoin rebounded on Wednesday after sinking as low as $60,000 earlier this week. The rebound was fueled largely by a slide in the dollar, which hit one-month lows after some softer consumer price index readings for April. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.5% at 82,000 points. Interestingly, Bitcoin rebounded on Wednesday after sinking as low as $60,000 earlier this week. The rebound was fueled largely by a slide in the dollar, which hit one-month low after some softer consumer price index readings for April. Furthermore, headline CPI grew at a slower than expected pace while core CPI eased as expected. The readings, which were accompanied by a weaker than expected retail sales data, pushed up some hopes that inflation will ease in the coming months and give Federal Reserve more confidence to begin trimming interest rates. Interestingly, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, world's largest futures Bitcoin trading platform, is set to introduce spot BTC trading in response to increasing demand from Wall Street investors. CME is in discussion with crypto traders to establish a regulated marketplace for spot BTC trading, expected to operate through EBS, a Swiss currency trading platform known for its strict regulations on crypto asset trading. Furthermore, India's Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has recommended multiple regulators to oversee crypto trade nationwide, contrasting the Reserve Bank of India's tightened grip on cryptocurrencies since 2017. Well, the decision has gained traction among Indian crypto market participants. The global crypto market cap was at $2.4 trillion mark, increasing 0.5% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 18% to $80 billion. Separately, inflation still remained well above the central bank's annual 2% target range. A slew of Fed officials also warned in recent weeks that the bank will need much more confidence to begin trimming rates. This notion limited any major gains in Bitcoin, keeping the token trading comfortably within a $60,000 to $70,000 trading range established over the past 2 months. Increased risk appetite, which was reflected in Wall Street hitting record highs, also did not spill over into crypto. The prospect of regulatory headwinds bode poorly for crypto markets, especially as recent reports suggested the Securities and Exchange Commission was mobilizing more regulatory action against the sector. Moving on, ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange for the Shiba Inu community, is now live on the Shibarium blockchain, allowing users to introduce new liquidity pools and enhance multi-chain operations. Now, this move signifies a significant milestone for the Shiba Nation as it brings sophistication to multi-chain operations on Shibarium and Ethereum. Moreover, Arbitrum addresses reached an all-time high in May due to new users using its DeFi and NFT offers. The network is now among top layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, offering faster and clearer smart contracts for messages and activities between layer 1 and layer 2 addresses. The growth of Arbitrum is attributed to developers using it as a basis for their decentralized apps. US stock futures traded flat. Dow Jones Industrial Average topped the key 40,000 level for the first time in the previous session. Futures tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average traded flat, as were S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures. Bitcoin was trading at $66,200, up by 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up 1%, trading at $3,025. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up 3% and was trading at $166, while Cardano's ADA token was up by 7% to trade at $0.48. Talking about Avalanche's AVAX token, it was trading at $36, higher by 6%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 4% to trade at $0.70. Simultaneously, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, up by 0.5%. Polkadot was up by 4.5% to trade at $7.2. However, Binance's BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $576. In Doge, the popular meme coin was trading down by 2% at $0.15, while Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.5%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Shares of Coinbase dropped nearly 9% to $202.49 on Friday after a Financial Times report that the Chicago Mercantile Exchange might soon offer spot Bitcoin trading amid strong interest from clients. Chicago-based CME, with a history dating back more than a century, is the largest futures exchange globally and a financial powerhouse. Until recently, Coinbase profited strongly from being the most trusted crypto exchange in the US, but that advantage could change if CME comes into play. CME is already the biggest Bitcoin futures exchange by open interest in the US. The exchange said that it has been holding meetings with traders who wish to trade Bitcoin on a regulated marketplace. People familiar with the matter told the Financial Times. Hong Kong has launched a pilot program for the Digital Yuan, the People's Bank of China's central bank digital currency. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority's launch of a Digital Yuan pilot marks the first deployment of the CBDC outside of mainland China. The pilot will enable Hong Kong residents to facilitate transactions from their Digital Yuan wallets, which can be topped off through 17 retail banks using the faster payment system. The Digital Currency Institute facilitates the interoperability infrastructure between the FPS and the Digital Yuan. DCI aims to enhance cross-border payments, which is among the main goals on the G20 countries' roadmap. As of now, Hong Kong residents only need their mobile phone numbers to create an eCNY wallet, which can currently facilitate cross-border payments but can't be used for person-to-person transactions. The Turkish ruling party submitted a draft crypto bill to the parliament on May 16. The bill focuses on licensing and registration for crypto service providers and aligns with international standards. According to a Reuters report, the draft bill aims to update existing laws to comprehensively govern the cryptocurrency market. The bill's key focus areas include consumer protection, platform transparency, and compliance with financial regulations. The proposed legislation intends to regulate cryptocurrency trading platforms and other service providers in the sector, requiring them to obtain licenses from Turkey's Capital Markets Board. The draft law aims to govern crypto asset service providers, crypto asset platform operations, crypto asset storage, and crypto asset buying, selling, and transfer transactions by Turkish residents. Transactions with Tether's USDT and ZOT on the open network will be streamlined thanks to the incorporation of the Ubit mobile payment app, giving merchants a more convenient user experience. Tether and Tether Gold launched on Ton in April. ZOT is pegged to the price of 1 fine troy ounce of gold. More than $200 million in USDT has been issued on Ton, and users can send USDT in Telegram messages. Telegram has over 900 million users worldwide. Ton also issues its own native Ton coin on the Ton network. In addition to Ton, USDT is issued on 14 other blockchains, including Tron and Ethereum. It also joined the Celo network in March. Now let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, let's talk about Arbitrum. Arbitrum addresses reached an all-time high in the month of May due to new users using its DeFi and NFT offers, while the network is now among the top layer 2 solutions for Ethereum, offering faster and clearer smart contracts for messages and activities between L1 and L2 addresses. Developers are using Arbitrum for their decentralized apps, with gas fees optimization falling since the end of March, while the network already carries leading multi-chain apps and is gaining popularity in the Web3 gaming. While the Arbitrum DAO is voting to add more projects as Orbit chains connecting to other L1 or L2 networks. Now let's talk about Shiba Inu. ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange for the Shiba Inu community, is now on the Shibarium blockchain, allowing users to introduce new liquidity pools and improving the multi-chain operations. Well, this move signifies a significant milestone for the Shiba Inu nation as it enhances multi-chain operations on the Shibarium and Ethereum. Well, the Shibarium integration ensures ShibaSwap users are aware of the protocol's scalability merits, potentially increasing the scarcity and the value of Shiba Inu. Future platform upgrades include advanced interfaces for personal information pages and money transactions, adjustable price ranges for liquidity efficiency, and simplified portfolio management. Next on the list is Stellar. Well, next on the list, let's talk about Stellar XLM. Stellar's network is set to undergo a new upgrade, Protocol 21, as part of its core advancement proposals. Well, this upgrade aims to improve efficiency and reduce fees and is now live on the testnet. Well, the upgrade follows the successful deployment of Soroban smart contracts to the Stellar mainnet in the month of February 2024. Well, this focus now shifts to preparing for its deployment on the mainnet, requiring careful coordination and testing. Key dates for the upgrade include stable releases of Stellar Core, Horizon and RPC in May, a testnet reset in the month of June, and the vote to upgrade the mainnet to Protocol 21 on June 18. Now let's talk about XRP. The XRP cryptocurrency's trading volume has surged by 23% in the last 24 hours, reaching $1.3 billion according to CoinMarketCap. Well, this coincides with a 3.7% increase in the price, peaking at $0.51. However, the price is currently experiencing a minor correction of 0.6%. Coincheck, a prominent Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, has seen a mysterious transfer of 100 million XRP tokens, amounting to approximately $51.6 million from its platform. Well, the Financial Services Agency and the Japan Blockchain Association regulate Coincheck, a key player in the Asian region. Well, last on the list, let's talk about Pepe, the talk of the town. Pepe, a cryptocurrency, has seen a significant increase in value over the past 7 days and 110% over the last 30 days, boosting investor optimism. A large investor sold their share for $14 million, bringing the return to $14 million. Pepe's open interest has also increased by 8%, surpassing the $600 million milestone. However, Pepe's value has decreased by 6.7% and its market cap and 24-hour trading volume have declined by 6.7% and 30.9% respectively. Despite this, Pepe has seen sufficient investor attention, with active wallet addresses peaking at 8,000 on May 14, 2024. Well, the overall crypto market is bullish, with Bitcoin breaking out of its consolidation phase and Ethereum above $3,000.
Well, that's all this special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3verstv.io and scan the QR code.